Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is going to be a true transformation using Dragun Beauty. I will also be showing you guys how to do this beautiful cut crease shadow along with the flawless skin. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, just go ahead and keep on watching. And like Nikita says, breathe fire my dragons. So I did my left eye and I purposely didn't put an eyelash there just so you guys can see the details of the eyeshadow and also just so you can appreciate that blend. Let's get this eye started. As you guys know, my holy grail plouise rumour number 2, and I will be focusing with this plouise on my inner corner and just bring it out a little bit towards the side of my nose, just because we are going to be blending the majority of the eyeshadow right there. For today's eyeshadow look, I will be using the Morphe and Jacklyn eyeshadow palette volume number 2. These are the shades that I will be using today. I will be grabbing the darker purple on the palette, which is shade Not My Journey. With that same thin brush, I will be grabbing the black shade of the palette, which is the Temptress shade. Then I'm going to grab the shade Therapy Shish, you got the point. And I'm going to go right on top of that purple and just kind of make an ombre effect between the 3 shades. And I'm going to bring this all the way back to where the shadow stops. Then I'm going to go ahead and add Lolly Mama right on top of that pink. And I'm just going to blend that shade upwards. And then I'm not going to blend the black because I don't want the black overpowering the purple. I'm just going to grab that purple again, the darker purple, and blend it on top of the black. So once we got the desired ombre, we're going to go ahead and cut the crease with the plouise rumour number 2. Now to set the base, I will be applying the shade Certified. For the wing shadow, I did apply a piece of tape on my eye, and I'm also going to be using an angled brush to get that shadow and the glitter very precise. I'm going to be starting with Not My Journey. Once the purple shadow is done, I'm going to be grabbing the black shadow, which is Temptress. For the liner, I will be applying NYX Cosmetics Glitter Glue. I will also be using this purple glitter that I got at a craft store. And I will be dabbing just because you don't want the shadow to smear. For today's lashes, I will be using Embelashes in style Dreamy, along with their adhesive. To prime my face, I will be using the B-hydra Hydration Gel by Drunk Elephant. For my face, I will be using the Dragon Egg by Dragun Beauty. For my under eyes and imperfections, I will be using the Dragon Fire Skin Perfecting Potion. What this is going to do is just going to cancel out all those unwanted tones. For foundation, I will be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in shade 260. For concealer, I will be using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in shade Vanilla. To highlight my face, I will be using the Dragun Beauty Dragon Heart Transformation Face Powder. And I'm actually going to be mixing both shades. I know, sis, I know. I can't even believe it. She did her thing. To contour my face, highlight, and blush, I will be using the face palette by Dragun Beauty. I will be using these shades here. I'm going to go ahead and with Femme. And I'm going to grab a little bit of Surge. With Pink Opal, I'm going to cut that contour. For blush, I will be applying BB Girl. And I'm going to apply right between the contour and bake just to blend it together. And I'm also going to apply a little bit of Tea Girl to have a little bit of shimmer. To contour my nose, I will be using the shade Femme. I will be using my Dewy set by Anastasia Beverly Hills. For highlight, I will be using the shade Silicone. For lip liner, I will be using the NYX Cosmetics Lip Liner in Matte, shade Los Angeles. I will be using this MAC lipstick in Viva Glam 2. To add a little bit of a shimmer, I'm going to be adding this lip gloss by MAC in shade Angel. For my under eye, I will be adding just a little bit of that purple shade that I used to cut my crease. Alright guys, so that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and always trust the process. I know I looked scary when I had the perfecting potion on, but that is called color correcting, and that is how we get this flawless skin. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!